Confirmed by satellite imagery, it is now apparent how China has been expanding transit camps in various regions of East Turkestan. Millions of people, including scholars, scientists, thinkers and artists, are interned in the penal camps by the Chinese state. According to the Turkestan press, recently 24 men were arrested in Gulja and deported to a concentration camp. While visiting the United States, the Vice President of the Uyghur World Congress, İmportant, met the Speaker of the US House of Representatives, Nancy Pelosi. In a conversation, they exchanged views on the current situation in East Turkestan. Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesman Behram Qasimi announced on behalf of President Rouhani that Iranian Foreign Minister Zarif's resignation would not be accepted. Furthermore, Qasimi advised against unsubstantiated speculation about the resignation, as Zarif himself justified the reasons for this on his social network. Today and tomorrow, Trump and Kim Jongun meet in Hanoi, Vietnam. The American president is trying to convince the dictator to end his nuclear weapons program. In return, Washington wants to offer a security guarantee as well as a normalization of the relationship. Shortly after the Indian Air Force launched an attack on Pakistan, the country criticized India's actions. The spokesman for the Pakistan Army, General Ghafoor, threatened India by calling on the country to prepare for a surprise. India claimed to bomb terrorist camps. According to Pakistani sources, there was no property damage or personal injury.